Hello everybody and welcome to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a file sorter robot with just 20 lines of simple Python code. So in this video basically the code will sort the Python files according to their file extensions. So if it is an MOV file, it will put it into the MOV folder and it will create the folders by itself too. So without any delay, let's head into it. So I'm going to be creating a new file and I'm going to be saving it first as a Python file. So I'm going to be saving it in my downloads folder. It would be file sorter.py. So that is what I'm going to be naming it. After that, you can import a few libraries. So we have to import OS to move the files in the respective directories, and then we have to import shuttle. After done that, you can head into the next line, that is you have to specify the path where you want to sort all the files. So in my desktop directory, as you can see, I already have a folder mixed files. So as you can see, I have all sorts of files here, 2DMG files, Python files, MP4 files, screenshots, and many more. So in my case, I'm going to be using this mixed file, so you have to specify the path here. So for me, I'm going to specify the path in quotation marks. So users, so this is the path where I have saved. Then there would be desktop, and after that mixed files. So after you have done that, you can head on to the next line, that is you now have to list. So this will create a properly now this command that I'm going to be showing you. So it is a list command and underscore list underscore, that is equals to os dot list dir. So we have to list dir and then we have to do it in the path. So what this statement does is that this will create a properly organized list with all the file names that is there in the directory. So it will create a properly organized list. After that, you can head into the for loop, which will go through each and every file and identify its extension. So that would be for file in list, that would be in list. So name, so we have to specify the name of the file, the extension of the file. So I'm just going to be creating a variable ext for the extension to see the extension. Where is the extension basically? So then there will be a path spl itext. Yeah. After done that, you can head on to create parenthesis file underscore. Yeah, that's it. Now you have to go on to extension to ext. That would be equals to the ext in parenthesis 1 and then colon. On to the next line. So this command ext, so basically what this command does is that this will going to store all the extension name types. Basically this is a variable that will store every extension type. So yeah, after done that, you have to go on to the next line. You can I have to be in the for loop. Next line, that will be if the extension so is equals to nothing, you have to just continue. Yeah, after done that, you can head into the next line. So what this does, though, if extension, so we have to continue. So this forces the next iteration if it is in the directory. So now you can head on to creating another if statement. So what this statement will do, it will move the files to the directory where the name ext already exists, so the extension. So os dot path dot exists, then in parentheses there would be path plus, and then in quotation marks there would be forward slash, and then there would be plus extension. Yeah, after that, this is the if statement. Then there would be shuttle, dot move. Again the same thing, but in this case that will be path. Yeah, the same thing, the path. Then you have to add again a forward slash, and then you just have to add the extension. Yeah, so after you've done that, you can, yeah, so in this case there would be, we have to add the file, and then comma, then again the path. So path plus, so this we are just telling the file where, so it will move the file to the certain directory. So that's what we are doing here. So then we will just add the extension, so ext, then the last, so we have done for the path, then the path plus extension, and the last thing that we do is that we have to create another forward slash, and in that there would be plus file. Yeah, so now you can come out of this if statement, and you have to just type else os dot, there would be make dirs the path. So this will create a new directory if the directory does not already exist. So now you can, yeah, so the path, then you have to add in quotation marks forward slash, again plus an extension. Next would be shuttle dot move, so that would be dot move, then there would be path, add quotation marks and forward slash once again, plus file, comma path, and again we have to copy the same thing. So after path, what we did right here, we can copy this and we can just paste this, and we can get rid of the else. Yeah, so we are just gonna save the file.